Hi Pankaj, how are you?
Very good.
It's great to see you, sir. MWC is upon us. It's a great show generally, and of course Ericsson always makes a big production there in Hall 2, the legendary Hall 2, the Players' Hall. What are you excited about that you're doing this year?
We're very excited about a number of demos that we are putting out there for our customers, everything under our portfolio from private 5G to coverage extensions to, of course, our wireless WAN solutions. We are going to be demonstrating a autonomous warehouse with our partner, Slalom, as well as a retail setup with Zebra. I mean, this is where you really see the technologies that Ericsson builds in wireless arena really come to action, solving real-world problems and solutions for the future.
Are there going to be robots?
There's definitely going to be robots.
Yeah.
This is where I get excited about where AI is jumping from just the theoretical realm into physical. And that's where you see robotics becoming real, solving real world problems. In fact, I'm so excited about going to MWC this year because I'm looking forward to what the rest of the vendors have to go back and exhibit within the whole conference.
Well, I've noticed a big change in Ericsson's exhibition strategy at MWC over the years. I mean, even a few years ago, a lot of antenna, and most of the booth was locked off behind the big sort of security wall. You've made it a lot more open now, so visitors to MWC can just wander in and have a look at these demonstrations. Is that right?
That is absolutely right. I think with our advent into enterprise solutions and really showing the value of all the infrastructure that we bring in, but translating it into real life problem solving. That's the theme, and everybody should have access to that. Everybody should see what's going on behind the hood of who's providing the infrastructure, but then what problems is it solving. So very exciting.
You are known for providing equipment and solutions and services into telecommunications carriers, but now your remit has broadened to vertical industry. Is it the same solution set for carrier and for those vertical industries? And do you not find yourself selling technology against the carrier? Because some of the carriers want to be in that vertical industry market as well.
Look, what the carriers do go back and provide is the core connectivity infrastructure. And that is so important for consumers, for enterprises, and so on, but primarily targeted towards consumers. What we do go back and now get into a lot more about is to using parts of the same infrastructure that Ericsson provides, but creating verticalized solutions for problem sets that enterprise customers do face. Back to your question about do we get into kind of conflicting with what the carrier is trying to go back and provide and what we go back and provide? No, we work very closely with our carrier partners in delivering these solutions. But as we expand more into enterprise level segments, we find that along with our carrier partners, the whole ecosystem of distributors and channel partners comes into play. And that's really what Ericsson wants to go back and embrace, is where the carriers are not able to go back and reach in the enterprise set. That's where our channel partners, as well as our distributors, come into play, into making those solutions available to a wider area of customers.
So it's not a competition, it's a sort of co-opetition. It's an ecosystem, and it takes a lot of different players. Everybody has a role to play.
Absolutely, yes. That's the goal. Ericsson's motto is definitely how do we bring more futuristic, cutting-edge connectivity solutions to all of our customers, consumers, SMBs, big enterprise players, and that's what we're all after.
Pankaj, it's a pleasure. Really excited to see what Ericsson's doing at MWC. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.